You might have been seeing some people or Rubik's Cube solvers solving a Rubik's Cube under 15 to 20 seconds. How they can do that is some finger tricks. The finger tricks are some sort of finger algorithmic tricks which is used to turn the cube too fast. Actually, you can see this. So, how you can turn your cube this fast? Let's discuss in today's video. Firstly, don't turn a Rubik's Cube like this, like this, like this, like this. No, you have to turn it by some tricks. Like, if you want to do the right layer, you don't have to do this or this. You just need to do like relaxing your hands, hold the cube like this, or move. And if you want to do R, U, R prime, U prime, which is also known as the righty alg, here are some finger tricks for that. Like, I'll just show you. R, U by this, R by this, R prime is this, and U by this. Alright, so you can create your finger tricks too. Like, if you do a T-perm normally with this finger trick of right hand, it does not feel too fancy. But if you do it from your hand like this, so it would be fast and more efficient. That can be going good for you. So this was the thing that you can make your tricks according to your hand or your algorithms. Like if I do a cheap perm, so F prime I do like this. Like some people also do it like this, but that is wrong. The second tip is to memorize algorithms by your muscle memory, not by your brain. If you learn it by your brain, you will just be figuring out that now it is the code of right hand and this is for this and all of that. But if you make it on your finger tricks only, so you don't need to remember things, you will just your hands will just repeat it automatically, and you can do this thing with a lot of practice of that algorithm only. The third tip is to don't think while applying an algorithm. If you think while applying, so you will probably just get messed up, but if you just do not think, you will not get messed up. Just think that you are applying it in a right way. So the next step is also to memorize the algorithms, which will help you to memorize the algorithms. So this is the tip to do the trigger hand practices. Like there are some triggers in the Rubik's cubing, like RU, R prime, U prime. It's the righty algorithm and it is a trigger which is helpful. Yeah, so you can just do your practice like R, U, R prime, U prime, and it is an inverse thing, U or U prime, R prime, which is more efficient for the this F2L case. You do it like this, so it will be not too efficient, but if you do like this, it is efficient. But sometimes people's hand doesn't get worked like that, so you can just do the trigger practices which would help you too much. Some triggers are R, U prime, R prime, and R, U, R prime, U prime, U, R, U prime, R prime, sledgehammer, hedge slammer, and many more things. So after doing these things, you have to do 100 untimed souls a day. So I know many people would not get that finger tricks on their hand. So we will do some practice souls here only, or example souls, you can say, which will help you to like understand what you have to do. After scrambling the cube, you just have to solve it normally, but I will just show you one way. Like if I'm gonna insert this piece to here, I'm making with it a beginner cross, like match this here. I will just do this, and I will do this. Like you can just simply do this, but it is not efficient. So what you can do is this and this. If you want to do any two move from front layer, you can just do firstly by your index finger and then your middle finger. So after doing these things, you have to just practice it, and practice it. And after doing that, you will be good at this. You can practice it for 1 to 2 months and do 100 untimed souls a day. That will help you too much. And if you do some time souls after 1 or 2 months of the practice, you will definitely get some good results for the finger tricks of the cubing. And cubing has various things that you can try, like mirror cube and all that, but I'm only specialized in the 3x3, so I can only give tips for the 3x3. So thanks for watching the video, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, select an all to get all of the notifications, share with your friends, like the video, and till then, bye bye.